Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Ring camera is displaying error code P10-02, the setup process may stop unexpectedly, preventing the device from connecting properly to your network. In many cases, this error is associated with Wi-Fi communication issues, signal interruptions, or temporary setup problems between the Ring camera and the Ring app. Since several factors can contribute to this error, it's helpful to go through a few basic checks before attempting more advanced troubleshooting. In this video, I'll show you several steps you can try to help the Ring camera complete the setup process successfully. Try these. Step 1. Verify that the Ring camera is within range of the Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Confirm the Wi-Fi password being used for the Ring camera is correct. Step 3. Restart the router connected to the Ring camera. Step 4. Put the Ring camera back into setup mode. Step 5. Begin a fresh installation process for the Ring camera through the Ring app. Step 6. Check whether the Ring camera completes setup and connects normally.